Ever been super quiet in class? And then suddenly, your stomach goes grr. So loud everyone hears it. That's your stomach growling. But it's not because it's empty. Your stomach is always moving, even when there's no food. It squeezes and pushes air and liquid around. And when it's empty, there's more air. So it makes louder sounds. Like this. So your stomach isn't yelling because it's mad. It's just doing its job. But yeah, it always seems to happen at the worst time.